Hello, hi all. I'm Dr. Hari Krishnan. I'm a member of Spine Foundation since 2020. So that was the first time I met Bojraj sir, and I started my spine career as a student of him. So since 2020, I am attached to the Spine Foundation. I am participating in all spine camps till 2022, where I was in Mumbai, uh, going through all the camps, conducting free spine OPDs and all other activities which Spine Foundation was doing at that time.
What inspired your decision to get involved with the Spine Foundation and what drove you to support their mission?
So after I joined Bojraj sir as a student to learn spine problems, spinal issues, and I came to know that sir is running an NGO, non-profitable organization, which goes into the interiors, which finds the patient who needs proper spine care and getting them treated without any kind of profit. So I came to know that this is very good thing. Very actually, the Spine Foundation is doing a great job while picking up the needy patient who doesn't know what are their problem, teaching them they are having, what is their problem, and solving that issue. So my first experience with Spine Foundation was a camp in Gadchiroli where I participated for the first time. So Gadchiroli is in the interior of Maharashtra where there are so many problems. There are so many uneducated patients who does so hard work, which causes some problems to their spine, mainly backache, and some patient needs some kind of proper treatment like surgery and everything, but they don't know actually what is happening with them because they are totally unaware about the issues. And then Spine Foundation, as a part of the team, we went into the Gadchiroli camp. We told them, we explained them what is happening with them. We picked the patient who needs the surgery, and then it was a great experience. I would tell you that there were 25 patients we identified that who needs the surgery, and 3 or 4 days camp we have done the surgeries. We have solved issues of many patient who doesn't need surgery also. So altogether it was a very that kind of experience which I haven't experienced before. So that day actually I came involved into the Spine Foundation, what they are doing, came to know that, and it actually took me into another level. I thought myself also doing the same thing, some good things which the proper and needy patient uh, needs. So actually, after completing my fellowship also, I continued the connection with Spine Foundation. Right now, I am a part of Amreli project, and we are conducting OPDs, we are conducting surgeries there, and on regular interval, I am participating there.
How significant is the role of education and awareness in advancing spinal health in rural areas?
It's a very important question because in this kind of regions, people doesn't understand what is the problem they are having, because most of them are daily workers and they have many of them have back pain, neck pain, but when the pain goes to the lower leg, like a leg or arms, they doesn't understand this pain is coming from the spine. So first you have to educate them. You have to tell them that problem is coming from the spine, not from the arm or something, legs. So you have to make them educated. You have to make them understand that spine is an uh, important thing which they have to take care, and then this pain is related to the spine. So they need proper treatment based and proper treatment aimed to the spine.
What are your hopes and aspirations for the future of spinal health in rural and tribal areas?
Basically, as a member of Spine Foundation, we want all patients, irrespective of their region, their affordability, uh, and their education level, everyone should get proper treatment, and there shouldn't be any barrier stopping them from getting that uh, treatment. So everyone should get proper spine treatment for their problems. That is our hope. That is what we are aiming to get. Affordability shouldn't be a problem for that. സോ പറഞ്ഞു വന്നത് ഇത്രയാണ്. ഈ വീഡിയോ കണ്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ആർക്കെങ്കിലും എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു കാരണവശാൽ സ്പൈൻ്റെ പ്രശ്നമുണ്ട്, പക്ഷേ കോസ്റ്റ് കാരണം അത് ചെയ്യാതെ അതിനുവേണ്ടി പോകാതിരിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഉറപ്പായിട്ട് സ്പൈൻ ഫൗണ്ടേഷനെ ബന്ധപ്പെടുക. ആ പ്രശ്നം സോൾവ് ആകുന്നതായിരിക്കും.